Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody emailed me this file earlier, and it's an SVG file, but when she brings it into Corel, it doesn't scale it perfectly. As you can see, this is the real one. This is an EPS file that they also sent her. And you can see right here, it's an EPS on layer 1. This is the correct size. So I said, well, we'll just use this file. And she goes, well, or they go, I'm real bad about Ginger reading emails. Sometimes she doesn't get the SVG files or doesn't get the other files, and she only gets this. But if you know one measurement, you can do this. Get your parallel dimension tool, get on that node, and when start moving, and hold down the control button. And we have 3.29. Over here, hold down your control button. We have 2.47. That's all you need. Bring in a calculator. 2.47 divided by 3.29 is 0.75079, which makes this 6, really. So remember, 0.75076. That's all we have to do. Now this is all grouped together, and it is with your ratio locked. Get rid of that sign and divide by 0.75076. And you're going to be amazed. And some of my people that watch my videos are going to be delighted with my math skills. Ha! 329. It's exactly the same. Now, I would do a little further testing. I would test one of these holes. Let's test the same one. And let's get them out of the way. That hole is 0.546. So this one is a little bit lighter, 545. But what I've already done this. Pin size holes are 545. So the SVG file is right. Now, for the person that is doing this, that hole isn't very good. That hole's okay. But this hole, I think well, maybe this is going to be on the bottom anyway. And there might be a reason for that. Well, I don't know. I don't know how this goes together. See, that hole isn't very good. And, it's got some test slots. It's 0.22 wood, which I really don't understand. There's a 1-inch square for sizing if need to cut. That's pretty cool. Let's see how close it is to 1 inch. Well, we ought to be able to take it, grab it with the pick tool, go ahead and break this apart, ungroup it. Well, it's a curve, maybe. Group, convert to curves, break curve apart. I've already converted to a curve. So that's why I don't understand an EPS file. Let's see if we can do this one. Go to Object, Group, Convert to Curves, Object, Break Dimension Apart. See, that might be causing our problem is our parallel dimension tool. Let me select it all. Sometimes if you don't select it all, you can't do anything with it. No. I know you can break this apart because I did it earlier. Because you're going to need, this got a lot of wasted space. And I guess this is two different nameplates. This says small and this says medium. Convert it to curves. Sometimes you have to select the whole thing. See, it's already a curve. There we go, ungroup. Voila. So that square is 0.999. That's pretty close. And if your digits were not at, 3 digits, it's going to say 1 inch. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.